YouTube.
My YouTube? Okay.
Yeah, because this is your YouTube channel, right? Welcome to Danielle Neepus's YouTube channel, where we creep like neeps. Welcome to El Presidente's YouTube channel. Where we're trying to open a sober living. Here, I'm gonna show them who they've subscribed to. So
El Presidente here.
yeah, and what'd you do today?
I worked out with my trainer and I moved a Jeep with my body.
Wow. I mean, if we really wanted to get crazy, we could put that video
Yeah.
right here.
Oh yeah.
You have it's all wide.
Yeah.
We should put that. Dude, she did the craziest workout today. Watch this.
What the heck is this?
I'm gonna strap you to my car and you're gonna pull it.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Yep. I'm gonna put it in neutral. Come on, start moving it. Start moving it. There you go. Atta girl. Atta girl. Start moving it. There you go. There you go. Good job. Come on. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Atta girl. Good shit. Good shit. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. It's all you. I'm not helping. It's all you. Good. All the way to the yellow line. All the way to the yellow line. Atta girl. There you go. For the yellow pillar. Atta girl. Atta girl. Move. Get me back to my parking space. Now you know what it's like to date a girl with baggage. Get low. Get low. Come on. I'm not gonna help you all the way. Yeah. Come on. Pull that weight. Get me back to my parking spot. Come on, I don't want a parking ticket. Come on, how bad do you want it? How bad do you want to be skinny? I got you. I'll help you. Keep going. Keep going. I'll help you. Don't stop. Don't stop. Good. Good. The best part.
Where's my bucket?
Yeah, you thought I was bullshitting you. This is going to be a good workout.
driving back.
Let's take this all off.